done. I'm way over here, down there at this truck stop, but the Sbarros and the Popeye's chicken died. So I'm like, I'm gonna walk over here to McDonald's. They're closed. Denny's is closed. Subway right there is closed. It's goddamn blizzard conditions. Super cold. This one is gonna be like to film my own death. Look at this jackass driving down the road. Anyone who is out right now is a total fucking idiot, including me. In fact, I'm walking down the middle of the freaking road. It's like, that's a mall. Here's the, yeah. Look, someone else here. It is motherfucking crazy. I'm pretty sure my beard's frozen. Yeah, it's like a zombie apocalypse. It's so cold that your fingers, like, I'm having a hard time moving my fingers. Yeah, Subway, you let me down. So I'm going back to the truck joint and I'm eating fucking quarter-pound hot dog for dinner. All right, I love you.